Why doesn't everything float away? Have you ever wondered why your toys don't just float up into space? Or why you don't fly off the earth when you jump? Spoiler alert, it's not glue, it's not magnets, it's something stronger and invisible. 1. Guesses? 2. 3. Did you say gravity? You got it correct. Gravity is the force that pulls everything towards the ground. It's the reason apples fall. It's the reason why we don't fly when we sneeze. Oh, thank goodness. Especially in the sneezy season. It's the reason why your pencils, your crayons, they remain on the table. The earth is like a giant magnet. Not because it has metal, but it's because it has mass. Lots and lots of it. The more mass something has, the more it pulls. For example, in the moon, we do have gravity, but it's not so much. Why? Any thoughts? Well, we'll look into it next time. That's why you come back down when you jump, because of gravity. Why your pencils, they can't fly off. So no matter where you go on earth, any part of this world, as long as you're on earth, gravity is always working. It's always pulling your foot down when you take a step. It keeps us grounded. And thank God it does. Alright, now that you know what gravity does, try dropping something, of course safely. And don't drop something that can break, because you're going to get in trouble with your mommy. And see it in action. Alright kids, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more science stuff. And remember, even though you can't see it, gravity is always in action.